What's the deal? I'm back on the tube again. We about to react to a new video. It's not really new. It's actually kind of old. I just haven't reacted to it yet because I've been busy. But we about to react to Backrooms, the information video. We about to react to it. If you've seen the last video, they discovered some dead body that was stuck on the wall or something. I'm not sure if this is the next one to it. There is a video after that I'm gonna react to as well. We're gonna get to it soon. Shoot. Let's see what this information video talking about. But before I go though, probably been wondering, well, you probably haven't. Probably been wondering where I've been at. I've been playing Elden Rings. I've been playing that game for a long time, bro. I got like 97 hours in that game. Like 94 hours in that game, bro. I absolutely love it. I got clips coming soon to the channel. And shoot. Let's get to the video. Alright, let's get to it. Before I start this though, I gotta make sure the audio. I was trying to see if the audio was working in my head. Yeah, we good. Alright, let's see what we talking about, man.
Welcome to the Project KV-31 Research and Development Team. In this short, informative video, you will be briefed on the required protocol in regard to Project KV-31, as well as receive an overview of future development plans. What is Project KV-31? Project KV-31 pertains to the study and development of the async low-proximity magnetic distortion system. For the sake of convenience, you may hear your peers refer to the project under any of the following titles: The Machine, The Door, The Backrooms, The Complex, Hallways. Unauthorized usage of these terms outside of the async research facility is strictly prohibited. Reach the threshold without guided supervision. Never enter the complex alone. All expeditions are to be comprised of no fewer than 3 individuals.
In the last video, didn't 3 go in there and they found that body? They sure got this edited.
Yeah, but that was 2 weeks ago. We're not going to be doing anything about it now. I mean, do you really think that that's actually a best thing in this situation? I mean, there's too many variables. Probably to reset the whole circuit. It's doable.
So what are these people about to get into?
Well, you know how it is. They're going to want some here to come tomorrow, and then I had a meeting, so I'm going north. Guys, do you hear this?
Is that real people? Real people is it?
Hey guys, do you hear this? Hey! Guys? George? Morgan! Hey!
See, that's why you should just stay with your team and go try to discover something.
This way.
Just look at you. Walking around with your fucking pants down. Looking dumb as hell. What the hell was that? Hey, get out my damn ear. That looked like the door they came in at. That looked like no BS though. Pick that up. Bro, pick that up. What are you doing? Why are you not picking that up? Bro, there's no way in hell I'm gonna be picking that up right now. There you go. I don't like the exit.
Please.
Look like you need a keypad for that joint though. Hurry up.
Hello? Hey!
Bro, I'm gonna be honest, bro. If that alarm went off, that means somebody's coming, bro. Like, that just mean, like, to me, that just means somebody's coming. So I'm gonna sit there until somebody come get me. Like, oh damn, that's the end of the video. That's the end of that. I'm still trying to understand this backroom junk, bro. I don't really get it. The hell is this? I still don't understand it, but we about to get into the next video. So make sure you like and subscribe on this one. You can do the same to their channel as well. Let's get into it. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Alright, so we on the next video, of course. Next video. Well, that's not how I'm about to start this off. What's the deal? We back with another video, man. The next video we reacting to is Autopsy report. So I'm guessing this is the video where they found that that body that was stuck on the wall. And we're gonna get into it. That's weird. Alright, so yeah, let's get into it. Make sure you like and subscribe on their channel. Do the same for me, of course. Let's see what they talking about. They already started the video. There we go. Yep, we on. Right, let's get into it. Backroom. Autopsy report.
Subject is male, somewhere between 18 and 21 years old. I estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but due to the severe tissue damage, it's hard to say for sure. The cause of death was likely malnutrition. I was able to recover most of the digestive tract. So, as things start to deviate from what we would consider to be natural, the decomposition process appears to have been stunted somehow. It's like portions of the body stopped decaying and were sustained. Other areas, however, were completely overtaken by culture. So, I took couple samples of some material here.
Ain't nobody talking about it.
At first, I thought it was an aggregated collection of Pseudomonas fluorescens, but it seems to be closer to a mutated strain of simple hay bacillus, which it should be completely benign, but well, really, I don't know what to make of this. Mr. Beck, may I ask where this subject came from?
This show is only a couple seconds, 2 minutes. I'm gonna be honest, bro. It's like I like what I see, man. I just don't get it. Like I just don't get it, bro. And I want to get it. That's why I'm still watching this. But damn, I don't know. Somebody gonna have to explain something to me, bro. Cause I really don't get it, bro. I really don't. But if you like what you seen, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I got them Elden Rings clips coming in soon. Shoot, man. I'll catch y'all with the next one. Post in the comments to the next video I want me to watch, cause I need some stuff to watch. I still got that I still gotta finish that that playlist too, and that's still being worked on, so don't think that's done. I'll catch y'all.